bind alone. Now this video ncho egosi unu ka ị ga-esi wee use free video editing software a na-akpọ VSDC wee edit your audio and add their images na your audio. Just above video, just audio, your voice, you record, like invent. Ihe na-emegasị na talk about politics or anything you feel like. Then you add their image that correspond na the topic in ekwu maka ya. So nga gosi ka ị ga-esi wee use after ka you record your audio, then just add image you get your back here up and upload it na your YouTube channel. So nga gosi ka ị ga-esi wee mee. Just keep watching. Ne. Dalonu. So here ga first, write the topic ịchọrọ ikwu maka ya down. Maka nchezo. Download the image get related to the topic ịchọrọ ikwu maka ya. Then upload your audio record the topic to your into your laptop or your PC ịchọrọ use. Again, you install those audio, your topic, and then install the image actually use. The type of VSDC, they're not gonna pop up. VSDC free video software. You gotta go, then you click here on it. Go back in another page. You go to download. Then you select video editor. Click on video editor. Then this one will appear. It depends on the version of your computer or laptop, or not 64 or 32. It depends on the memory. Then you click any one. I have already done one of it, so you select it, download or guide exactly what to do next. After you download this there, then we go to upper left and select new project. So project setting will pop up here. Project title, then entitle it. So more how to upload video on YouTube. Profile. Let me make 3.5. Then down here I say finish. So okay, book to this type of screen, but in this type of screen, it add multiple audio or multiple video. But in this case, this is not what we want to do. So just say cancel down here. Then book to the main front page. Here we get the editor. So here, we need the now audio and image, both of these. About a video, not video. Image you add their video here, but in this case you have audio and image, so I can select here the audio. Back at my audio, you can cover your audio on your file, so select here my audio. So I say start from cursor position, yes, click OK. This is cursor. We add image. Let's begin to add image. Buhari. From cursor position, yes. Let's near, because I'm putting another image. Okay. Obasanjo. What a minute. Let me just bring cursor forward because about na kusa and video ka item ga-ebido. Ntinye Obasanjo. I'll say from cursor position. Okay. And let's see, okay, I can see another one. Sibanjo. Another image. Until Sibanjo. From cursor, if you're from cursor position, yes. Can listen. This is your motto one last dent. We'll end the show. Another image. Yeah, okay, let me go to my picture. Show another image. Let me just add anything. Add a quote. From cursor, yes. Okay. So after can add this your images, then now upper here export the image. Yes. Okay, this is the image now. So upper here, but now each I got direct, each I got right away to your YouTube channel to you got this video direct. You click here. But not Instagram, you click here. Or not Facebook, you click here. But more, I'm trying to install there on my files na computer. So you can click here, this globe sign. Then at final here, export the video. You click here. Open this sign, ignore it. You can say upgrade, give for pro version. No, just either need click continue or negally here take here out. But let me just click continue. So you watch here now. If you know this video, total duration is about 1 minute 30 seconds. So the video go download by now. So the video conversion is converting. You know, each of you push here, the thing push here, but now it's been downloading. So after you install it, like you choose a welfare, you boost the video. This video email edit now to your YouTube channel. But you go quickly how to put it in from your laptop to your YouTube channel as soon as this. So let's believe that now you forward or that video direct to your YouTube account or to your Instagram account. So just he decided to install it in your system, your computer. So now let's put ngosi unu ka ị ga-esi wee ọ bụrụ na echi forward that video email edit to your YouTube channel. What you should do next. So here you go. ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ if you put that video to YouTube live. So here you go. You can your YouTube channel. Ma ọ bụrụ na laptop ọ bụkwa nọ na phone ka ị nọ. It's almost not the same way of doing it. So here you go. You gonna your upper right side. You got this video arrow sign. Or say create a video or post. You click on it. Or say upload video. Upload video. You go direct to your file. You can that file. That video will install. So okay, select file to upload. It's your public right away. Or public. It's your happy and public. Here with the default. Public, it's with and private, or the good only you can affair until need shadows here, it will be a public. So actually, I got public. In fact, I got public. You click here, this arrow sign. Google telling you your file. So my video files. I'm going to come now. Click here the video files. So you got the title in here that video when I edit. So because I can get you locate here. Let's money. Okay, let me upload this one. This one can actually upload. Okay. click open. So so each of here then whereby I can add any tagging, hashtag. For example, try add hashtag Biafra. Then you need to gap go ahead jam with your title of the video. If you ever describe all the content here, this video will mark here the description. Then never create the tags. In which you get this here tag here. Ide IPO or no maka Biafra kide kuma kia ide Biafra. So ka ihe we me searching when I search any topic about Biafra, your video email upload about say so, you know, the first stuff to discover for people. So you can write Biafra as many as in a click in app you enter in a dear Biafra you click enter Biafra. You can write as many as you want, maybe 10, 20, 30. So anything about Biafra, somebody searching on YouTube, it will help your video to come up easily than in on a. So the more tags a tag here, you make your video where you can discover your topic. So you can tag anything related to the topic here. More in for example, either the thing Biafra, you click enter. You go again. Make it one to go Biafra. Let me put IPOB. Enter. So anything either now or no IPOB can actually or no Biafra. So the more of this a type in here and these tags, get me at least I will advise the person not to hear like 20 times of this type of tags. Now this tag area. So after images all these things, the guys are here. Publish your video. Finish. Publish running right work, but I don't want to publish this. So after you describe chat, make sure that your title related to your topic. Then each one advance. You can go to advance area. So advance for to make sure that only try translate in America other language. You only that no no Igbo kid email your ikwulu your topic. Only where you can not translate in English. Each one is allowed viewer to contribute translating title. Okay, for the viewer. Each one is happier. So how much things is here. Okay, for your laptop. So mobile, I don't think the one the possible the mobile. Okay, for translating. Each one translates the information. But this was basic other issues altogether. But the main thing about that now, the basic information here. You can publish your video by clicking here. Your video got live to YouTube. Anybody can reach it out. That's all. So next time I will show you guys Obonechi enter test or may appear in your video or nature email initial actually add in your video. Maka have somebody a copy your video. So on your own for the initial in your video. On your go no see from you, not going to broadcast here. So when you initial or new logo, each of on a map appear on your screen or your video naga or your audio nature on a map appear on your YouTube channel or your for example your email address or your phone number or whatever. So next time I'm gonna go see you add on your video. Naturally add your email on a map appear on your video on a show on YouTube. Naturally add some text on a map appear on your video name on YouTube. Whatever actually add on your video. Other people will like copy or whatever. I will show you that will be next time. So I will just leave you guys for now. Take care and God bless you all.